Welcome back, guys. This is Tyler from Iron River Armory, and today we're going to be working on my bevel jig. So in my last couple videos, when I was making my first knife, I realized how hard it is to get a nice edge line on your knife by just doing it by hand. So I've seen other channels use bevel jigs, which is pretty much you get a couple pieces of metal and you put a hinge on it and some way to hold it in place. So when you attach a knife to it, you have a constant angle. So when you're using it on your belt grinder, you get that constant line of your edge and it looks really crisp and really nice. So we're gonna work on that today. Hopefully it'll help me on my next knife get a very nice defined edge. That's for the knife I'm about to make. It's gonna be like, you need that nice edge. So we're gonna try it out and see what we can get. All right, so the bevel jig's all done, and I'm really happy how it turned out. Didn't really run into any roadblocks making this, so that's good. Couple things I've learned though. One, I need a damn drill press. Pressing these by hand with just a regular drill was terrible. My hand's cramped up, it's really hot in here, so that didn't help at all. Two, I need to wear a shirt when I'm working out here making these videos because y'all got to see my sweet quarantine belly, but that's all right. So I'm really excited to try my knife out on this. In my next video, you'll see me using this, trying to get a really nice edge on my next knife. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see you next time.